Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to add a beneficiary to your Wells Fargo account in 2025. Whether you're estate planning or just updating your financial details, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. First off, what's a beneficiary? Simply put, it's the person or entity designated to receive your assets, like your bank accounts, in the event something happens to you. It's a crucial part of financial security, and with Wells Fargo's updated 2025 interface, the process is more user-friendly than ever. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Make sure you have your username, password, and possibly a two-factor authentication code ready for security. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Profile section. Look for something labeled Beneficiary Management or Estate Planning Tools. This might be under Settings or a dedicated tab, depending on the 2025 updates. Step 2. Select the option to add a new beneficiary. You'll be prompted to enter details like the beneficiary's full name, relationship to you, date of birth, and possibly their contact information or social security number for verification purposes. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays. Step 3. Verify your identity. Wells Fargo might ask for additional security steps, such as answering security questions or confirming via a mobile app code. This is all about protecting your account, so it's a good thing. Step 4. Review and confirm. Take a moment to go over the information you've entered. Once you're satisfied, hit Submit. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification to your app. A quick tip: always keep your beneficiaries up to date, especially after major life events like marriages or births. Remember, banking procedures can evolve, so check Wells Fargo's official website for the latest 2025 guidelines. And there you have it. That's how you add a beneficiary to your Wells Fargo account in 2025. It only takes a few minutes and gives you peace of mind. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.